Let's talk about jobs, the kind that get your hands dirty and your heart racing. Some jobs are just paychecks, but others are missions, taking forgotten junk and making it soar again. This is about more than fixing, it's about honoring the past and building something incredible for the future. Imagine a Cold War relic, a MiG-17 fighter jet left to rot at the bottom of the ocean. Most would call it junk, but a small team saw a challenge, a chance to resurrect a legend. This isn't just restoring a museum piece. It's transforming a barnacle-covered wreck into a high-tech marvel. It's about people who pour their soul into metal. Proving progress sometimes means making the old better than ever. We're diving deep, literally, into this transformation. Meet the team, see the grime, and witness the rebirth of a legend. With grit and determination, you can make the impossible fly again. Someone had to do this dirty job, and I'm glad they did. Let's tell their story. Deep beneath the waves, a secret slept for decades. A MiG-17, Soviet fighter, lost to the sea. Born to rule the skies, it became a home for crabs and coral, its glory days forgotten. Once the pinnacle of aviation, it was now a rusted, barnacle-encrusted ghost. Pilots once pushed it to the limits. Now, it was still a silent monument to a bygone era. An accident sent it plunging into darkness, its insignia faded beneath layers of grime. For years it was just another secret of the deep, a weapon of war turned to peace. But secrets surface. Fishermen snagged nets, divers found its form, and rumors spread. Some saw junk, others saw a project, a chance to rescue history. They didn't see a wreck, they saw potential. The MiG's slumber was about to end. A new chapter was waiting above the waves. Time to bring the ghost back. Finding the jet was just the start. Raising it was the real challenge. Salvage experts, engineers, and divers united for a high-stakes one-shot operation. Divers mapped the wreck, using sonar and cameras to plan every move. Heavy-duty straps were carefully threaded beneath the fragile fuselage. Every action was coordinated, every movement deliberate. The crane took up the slack, tension mounting as the jet stirred for the first time in decades. With a groan, the MiG broke free from the seabed, rising slowly toward the surface. Water poured from its battered frame, a ghost returning to the world. The team watched, breath held, as history emerged from the deep. The MiG was back in the light, ready for its second life. The real work was just beginning. On land, the MiG looked more like sea junk than a fighter jet. The team faced a brutal task, stripping away decades of barnacles, rust, and decay. Pressure washers blasted off layers of marine life, revealing the jet's classic lines. Hand scrapers and wire brushes tackled stubborn barnacles. Slow, painstaking work. Every inch cleaned was a small victory, but corrosion ran deep. Sandblasters removed rust, filling the air with dust as workers wore respirators. Damaged metal was cut out, replaced with custom fabricated patches. Metalworkers shaped new panels to match the jet's original curves. It was part art, part science, restoring strength without losing history. The MiG was stripped to bare metal, ready for a new beginning. The patient was cleaned. Now, the real surgery could start. This was restoration at its grittiest. The transformation was underway. With the airframe restored, the team took a bold step. They weren't just preserving history, they were upgrading it. Out went the old analog systems. In came a state-of-the-art glass cockpit with digital displays. The MiG's dashboard now rivaled modern jets, showing everything from engine stats to navigation. The original engine was replaced with a modern, efficient turbofan, boosting speed and range. A computer-controlled fuel system ensured peak performance and safety. The jet's brain got a major upgrade. GPS, modern radios, and digital flight controls. Fly-by-wire elements made the MiG more stable and easier to handle. It was the perfect blend. Classic looks, modern power. The MiG was reborn, ready for a new era in the sky. Old soul, new heart. This project demanded a special team. Mechanics, avionics techs, fabricators, and welders. Airframe experts diagnosed problems by ear. Avionics wizards bridged old and new tech. They ran miles of wiring, ensuring digital systems worked with vintage parts. Fabricators shaped new panels from scratch, matching every curve. Every setback, misfit parts stubborn systems, tested their resolve. But teamwork and grit kept them going. They solved problems over late-night pizza, united by a single goal: seeing the MiG fly again. Their bond was stronger than any weld. It was sweat, skill, and determination that brought the jet back. This was more than restoration, it was resurrection. The team's passion made the impossible possible. Together, they gave history new wings. After thousands of hours, the MiG-17 stood gleaming, no longer a wreck, but a fusion of history and innovation. Its classic lines hit a modern heart. Its roar was cleaner, stronger. On its first test flight, it soared higher and faster than ever before. The pilot marveled at the blend of vintage thrill and modern control. This was more than a restoration, it was a new class of aircraft. Why do it? Because these projects bridge past and present, honoring those who built and flew them. They keep history alive, not as relics, but as living, breathing machines. Restoring old birds is defiance against disposability, a testament to passion and skill. The MiG-17 now flies as a symbol of what's possible when we respect the past and embrace the future. It's a dirty, difficult job, but seeing that resurrected ghost in the sky makes it all worth it. Some stories deserve a second flight.